Restore New England is hosting a one-day event for junior high and high school students called Behold Conference. And the theme is, Let There Be Light, beholding the glory of God in the face of Jesus Christ. And the reason we're hosting this event is because the world is a dark place, it's a confusing place. There are so many voices everywhere screaming at us, yelling at us, trying to convince us that we are going to find meaning, purpose, and value, true self-worth in anything other than looking to Jesus and recognizing that heaven is our home, this world is not our home. The event will be hosted on January 20th at Mount Hope Christian Center in Burlington, Massachusetts. You can find out more about the conference and any other questions that you may have at www.beholdcon.com. I invite you, I look forward to seeing you there.